Which diagram shows a set and subset that is correct? This diagram is not correct. Triangles classified by angles. Right, acute, isosceles. How can the diagram be corrected? F, change the word angles to sides. G, change the word right to obtuse. H, change the word acute to equilateral. Or J, change the word isosceles to obtuse. 3. This diagram is not correct. The word polygon on the diagram should be changed to what? A, trapezoid, B, quadrilateral, C, hexagon, or D, octagon. Look at the diagram. Which is an example of a triangle that is both scalene and right? This graphic organizer is not complete. What should be written in the empty box to complete the organizer? A, equilateral, B, polygon, C, rhombus, D, triangle. Which diagram shows a set and subset that is not correct? Look at the diagram. Triangles. Classified by angles, classified by sides. Which word completes the diagram? F, straight, G, slanted, H, scalene, or J, irregular. This graphic organizer is not complete. Quadrilateral, parallelogram and trapezoid, rectangle, rhombus. What would be written in the empty box to best complete the organizer? A, polygon, B, right, C, square, D, straight. Look at the diagram. Which is an example of a triangle that is both acute and scalene? Gabriella drew the diagram below. Quadrilaterals, parallelograms, trapezoids, kites, rectangles, rhombuses, squares. Which figure is not represented by a subset in the diagram?